Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. Let's take a look at the long-term monthly chart for TMO going back to 1990. And I want to concentrate on this area where we made a major high in early 98 before we get this move lower. And then also take a look at this period here in mid 2008 before we get this sizable drop. So let's zoom into those areas. And one thing you can see here is a couple of observations. Here was a breakout attempt. Stock was trying to break out in 98 here on a monthly basis. It closed above that previous monthly closing high, but did not hold on to those gains in the subsequent month because it dropped below the breakout level here. So that's a failed breakout. Now that high in price comes with expanding or declining, declining RSI strength. So that is negative divergence, a failed breakout at the highs, which is technical reason why we had this major pullback in 1998. Let's take a look at the next major high in 2008. And again, we have the same type of situation. We have what looked like a breakout. In fact, the stock held above the previous monthly closing high for 2 months, and then subsequently we have a failed breakout here. And then also at the highs we have an improvement month to monthly closing highs. Take a look at the RSI. The RSI makes a lower high. That's negative divergence, and which might explain why we get this serious drop in 2008. Let's take a look at the current market. And again, we have the same type situation here. We have what looked like a breakout attempt that was actually unsuccessful. We don't close above the previous highs, so that's a failed breakout right there. And we can see that the breakout attempt came with declining RSI strength. In fact, there is a line connecting RSI highs going back to 2015. So again, what we see here is negative divergence, declining in technical strength, a failed breakout, which might suggest that the next meaningful direction, given other periods in the past, chances are the next major direction is going to be down unless we can get a successful breakout in price above the current all-time monthly closing high of 158.75. Unless we get a breakout above that price, and unless we can move above this blue line here, chances are the next major trend is going to be down. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings.